Have you ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly turn their dreams into reality? What separates these individuals from the rest? The answer lies in the art of setting and achieving goals. Imagine goals as the stepping stones that guide us on the path to our dreams. They are the milestones that provide structure and direction to our journey. However, setting goals is not enough. Achieving them is where the real challenge lies. So how can you set and achieve your goals effectively? Firstly, clarity is key. Know what you want to achieve and why you want to achieve it. This is the foundation of any goal-setting process. The clearer your goals, the easier it will be to stay committed and motivated. So take a moment and ask yourself, what is it that I truly desire? Secondly, make your goals SMART, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. A goal like I want to become rich is vague and hard to measure. Instead, aim for something like I want to save $50,000 in the next 5 years. This is specific, measurable, achievable, relevant to your financial growth, and has a clear timeline. Thirdly, break down your goals into smaller, manageable tasks. Consider each task as a mini-goal and focus on one at a time. This makes the process less overwhelming and allows you to track your progress effectively. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. Fourthly, embrace a growth mindset. Understand that setbacks are part of the journey. Instead of seeing them as failures, view them as opportunities to learn and grow. This mindset will keep you resilient and help you stay on track even when times get tough. Lastly, celebrate your victories, no matter how small they may seem. This boosts your motivation and reinforces the positive behavior that led you to achieve your goal. To summarize, setting and achieving goals requires clarity, smart planning, breaking down larger goals into smaller tasks, adopting a growth mindset, and celebrating your victories. By following these steps, you can turn your dreams into reality. But remember, the journey towards achieving your goals is just as important as the destination. So don't rush the process. Enjoy each step, learn from your setbacks, and celebrate your progress. With determination, patience, and a well-planned strategy, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. So the next time you find yourself dreaming, remember, dreams are just goals waiting to be set and achieved. Start today and turn those dreams into your reality.